Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about hiking in Vienna. If you're a local or if you're a tourist, don't hesitate to go hiking because we have some really nice hiking spots which you can reach also with the metro station or any other public transportation. So Vienna has what it's called Stadtwanderwege, and that's basically city hiking trails. These trails are a mix of city/forest areas. A tip I will give you, and which I will be talking about in this video, is the Wanderpass. What are city trails? Vienna has 14 official trails that you can visit. The most popular routes are the route number 1, which is Kahlenberg, and route number 4, which is Jubiläumswarte. Now I'm gonna show you my Wanderpass. This is how mine looks like, and I will give you a PDF link in the description down below on which you can click and download it yourself. If I turn around this other side, which you can also download, is the Rundum Wanderpass, which there are a couple of more listed here. So a couple more routes listed here, which you can also visit and get stamps for it. Now let's talk about the stamps. You'll have to follow the trail, and each designated area has a stamp. Mostly it's written on the page where you can find those stamps, such like Kahlenberg, which is the number 1. You can find it at Josephinenhütte. Yeah, there is also an address there, which you can put in your maps device. You can put in the Google Maps or Apple Maps, or I don't know what it's called, but you can put it in the maps and basically it will take you there. There will be stamp boxes on each route. If you collect 3 stamps, you get the silver pin. If you collect 7 stamps, you will get a gold pin. If you have all the stamps from the Stadtwanderwege, so the city routes, you will get a platinum pin. However, if you collect the one with the Rundumatum, then you will get a separate pin. There is also wood signs which will show you the way around the hiking trails, which also helped me a lot because sometimes Google Maps wasn't as accurate as I wished it would be. You're probably wondering, where can I get these pins? Well, you can redeem these pins at the Vienna City Hall, which you can go to from Monday to Friday between 7:30 and 17 o'clock. All of this information you can also find on the Stadt Wien website. Not only is it nice to go on hikes around Vienna and refresh and recharge your energies and stuff like that, but you can also get in some exercise. You know, you can go with friends or family and just talk with them and enjoy the time. And also, at the end of the day, when you get these stamps, you get a nice price for it. So you get those pins, you can remember all the time that you enjoy these walks and hikes. Vienna's city routes are also a great way to stay fit, healthy, and still be near the city. Tips for first-time hikers like myself, I wish I knew. Start with the easy routes. Like I already mentioned, route number 1, Kahlenberg. Route number 4, Jubiläumswarte, are both great choices and they have really nice views of the whole city. Also, you have to wear comfortable shoes because the trails are mostly paved, but there can be routes where the road is uneven or like goes up and down. So basically, when you're walking up a hill or down a hill, some nice hiking shoes are great for the start. Pack essentials, just like water, small snacks, maybe even a blanket if you wanna have a picnic or just lay in the grass. Also, check the weather beforehand so you know if it will be raining or not. Mostly on my hikes, I didn't have rain at all. I really suggest just looking at the weather beforehand so you know there will be no rain. The links will be in my description down below, so feel free to check it out for yourself, and I hope you will go on hikes just like me because it's really fun and you will get some stuff for it. So, you know, I started like a year ago and I already have like 7 stamps, so that's nice. And some routes also offer both of those stamps, so make sure to take the papers with you every time you go on these hikes so you can stamp it and not forget about it. Because as I said, some routes have both of those stamps, so you can stamp both of them right away. I haven't seen people talking about this at all, which is like so sad, because that's a really great opportunity to go outside, catch fresh air, and just be in nature, whether in the winter time, just like I did. I actually went last week twice. So, don't be afraid of the cold weather or the hot weather. You can go basically anytime you want. Just make sure you wear the right clothing. I will also update you guys and tell you more about the other routes I have been on. Yeah, but that will be it for today, and I hope you liked the information I gave you. Also, please check out the link in the description down below for more information. Leave a comment down below if you have already knew about this, or if not, what do you think about it, and if you will go on these hikes. I'm really hoping you will take this opportunity and get more walks, just refresh your mind outside in the nature, and just basically have a good time. Thank you so much for watching it to the end. Leave a like, subscribe, and I see you next time. Bye!